Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and tap on apps. Now let's tap on app info and choose this three dot icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got a reset app preferences option, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, apps with background data restrictions, and any app permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, tap on reset. And actually that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.